Hey guys, this is how to add a device to Spotify. So first thing, before you do that, you need to make sure that the local network is enabled for Spotify. So to do that, just open up the settings and then look for Spotify. Then click on it and then make sure that local network is enabled. Now go back to Spotify and then click on your profiles icon at the top left corner. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Devices. Click on Devices menu. And here you're going to get the devices connected to your local network. So if you want to connect to your MacBook, for example, just click on AirPlay and Bluetooth. Then you're going to see your device right there at the bottom. Now I can't really connect to it right now because I'm screen recording, but you get the idea. So yeah, this is how easy it is, guys. Hopefully that video is helpful.